Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove yourself from channel admin on WhatsApp. So if you want to leave a channel and remove yourself from part of the admin, let me show you how it is done. So the first thing is open your WhatsApp and need to open the channel that you want to leave the admin. After that, click on the name at the top and you need to scroll down. So if you are the owner of the channel, you first have to transfer the ownership to her person. As can see, I'm owner. So there's no option to remove myself from the admin. So, in order for you to transfer the ownership to another person, just click on Transfer Ownership and make sure the person that you want to transfer it to is part of the admin, so you can only transfer ownership to another admin to can transfer ownership, and you need to select the person. After that, you're going to dismiss yourself as admin, so you can just sack this. So click on Continue, and you need to enter your number once you enter your number. As you can see, we have not transferred the ownership. So if you found this video helpful, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel, my Missum, just like this.